This is my 1945 Lincoln SA-200. Just about finished rebuilding it. Short the hood latches, the selector switch, the knobs, and the output terminals. Other than that, it's done. This is not a Krylon spray can paint. Bought this paint from an auto parts store and sprayed it on myself, actually with that compressor right there. Some of the detail in the motor. I've got 2 batteries on this because without modifying this frame back here, 1945 welders did not come with a battery. At least this code did not. So rather than trying to extend this battery rail here, I just paralleled 2 motorcycle batteries together to get the amperage I needed. Works out pretty well. Still able to retain the hand crank option. Rebuilt everything. Rebuilt the starter, rewired everything, 100 amp alternator. Like I said, everything is done. I've wired this for a remote that I will eventually build. Not at this exact moment, but I will build it. Hour meter, vacuum gauge, oil pressure, oil temperature, water temperature, amp meter, and voltmeter, all of which are backlit so I can see them in the dark. My wife helped me make this faceplate, made it by hand. She's got a sticker cutting machine, cut me out a sticker, and I acid etched it. Here's my pigtail for 115 volt DC grinders, and the cable's remote. Probably not wired the exact same as the cable's remote, but it is wired for a remote. Idle upgrade. Had to do a lot of research and a lot of ingenuity on my part, because the old 45, this code anyway, only has 1 set of exciter coils, and they're the small ones. Newer style with the receptacle had 2 sets of exciter coils, series coils and shunt coils, and that's how you get the power. They get about 3,000 watts of power. This one only gets 1,000 watts, and it's 1 wire short of being just like the old ones, the newer old ones. But it is possible to wire these old machines for remotes. I'm going to start it up. Better turn the gas on first. I like to let this crank for just a moment before flipping the ignition switch, just to get that oil pressure up before it starts running. And I have been running it today, so I shouldn't need a choke. And that's my rebuilt 1945 Lincoln SA-200. Thanks for watching.